So guys, welcome to the CrispMetrics. In this particular video, we are going to see what how we can solve a Z statistics question. So in our previous video, we saw that what is Z statistics, right? So it was nothing. It is a type of questions over there. So we can find out our probability for our given question based on standard normal distribution with the help of Z-score formula. So suppose I have taken a question over there from Google. So suppose there is a history test and students got an average marks of 80, right? And standard deviation equals to 6. And what is the first question over there? First question is very simple. We need to find the score of a student. It is not a score over there. The meaning is that you need to find a Z score for a student who earned a 75 on the test, right? So try to observe there. What is new over there? It is 80 average, right? What is standard deviation? It is 6, right? So what we can do, we have to find out for those students who earned a 75 on the test. So it means x equals to 75. So try to find out our first question. It is z score that we have to find out, and we know that what is a formula. It is x minus nu upon sigma. What we can do, just try to put the values 75 minus 6, 75 minus 80 upon 6. It will be around minus 5 upon 6, and it will be minus 0.83. Now let's try to calculate our second, right? Second is what is the probability that of getting 75 marks of another student. Suppose there is another student over there. He also tried to give the history test. Then what is the probability that he will get 75 marks? Now to find out the probability, we can just try to use this Z score and we can try to look into our Z score table. Right now, how we can look that? We will try to see it. For now, remember that we have minus 0.83. So I have already copied my Z table from the Google. So let's move ahead and try to see. So we got around minus 0.83. So let me change my color. Try to see over there minus 0.83. I can write it as minus 0.80 and minus 0.03. So I will get around minus 0.83. So I will try to find this value with the help of both these values. So first of all, try to see where is minus 0.80. So can we say here we have minus 0.80, right? Now try to see over there where is minus 0.03. So you can say here it is my 0.03. Now try to find this value. Where is this value, right? So try to observe. Try to observe there. So you can say over there I have this value over there, right? I have this value. So you can see over there I got a probability around minus 0.20, or you can say 20%. It is your probability. Remember one thing, it is not minus, it is 0.20. Now what I can do, let's go over there and try to see how we can see this type of things with the help of distribution, right? Okay, now try to remove this. Let me try to remove this. Now what is the meaning of 0.20 over there? Try to observe there. Suppose there is your distribution, right? If I will try to say it is a standard normal distribution, right? So here your nu will be equals to 0. So what is your Z score over there? 0.83. Suppose here you got your 0.83, right? 0.83. Now you can say your 0.20, the meaning is that you are going to find this area, right? Your probability lies in this area. Now this is a meaning of simple Z statistics. Now there is a one more question that we have to look into that. We will see in our next video. So for that, please hit the like button. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. Bye.